Hi guys, my name is Aino Lunde, a senior business software consultant with Active Services Limited. Active Services Limited is a business partner to Sage Pastel. I'm going to be installing SQL 2014. So I want to show you the process of doing that. But note, some features, some requirements would have to be picked based on um, requirement or specific needs from um, SageX3. So it doesn't really mean you have to stick to this requirement. It depends on what the application that is going to sit on it or the database that is meant to sit on it requires or it needs. So in this situation, I'm going to be installing SQL, Microsoft SQL 2014 based on the requirement of Sage X3. So let's get started. Yeah, based on the requirements, we need a Windows server. So that is why I have decided to use a VM for this trade. Now, so I'm going to be doing this based on specific on Windows Server. Yeah, this is my Windows Server. I'm going to be using a virtual machine for this so that I meet up to the requirements of Sage X3. Now, okay, I have a shortcut here that has all the installation kits needed for it, but take note, this is SQL, Microsoft SQL 2014. So from my installation kits, I will be picking just Microsoft SQL 2014. Now, here's my folder, Microsoft SQL. Oh, sorry, I have not shown my face. Let me show you my face a little bit. Then I remove it. Yeah, hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Yeah, so this is I know the media online Inca. Thank you. So now going back to our need, okay, 2014 SQL standard. So this setup. So the process has started. Okay, so I choose the installation feature. Choose this. So so many things that we need to learn. I'll pick it one after the other. Pick it one after the other. Think my icons are hidden. Think I need to remove this video so that I can. Okay. So next. So for every software installation, you need to pick I accept the license terms or you don't move ahead. I'm an end user, so I need that. So I don't want the system to check updates. So just click next. What's this? Okay, they still on update, so I don't need that. So I click on next. So watch. So we can gist. So why that key rows? Okay, now okay, this is just a warning message. Every other thing seems to be good. So I click on next. I click on next. Okay, now so here I'm going to be choosing the features required by Sage X3 on the Microsoft SQL 2014. We need this, this, and this. Okay. Okay, what else? Next. I think that's all. Now we also need to choose the collation method. Okay. Now, based on requirements, we need named instance. We need a named instance, so I'll be giving it Sage X3. This is just an instance, so you can give it anything you want. Then next. I also want to be careful I don't jump the aspect of the collation method. Hi guys, so how you doing? What do you have for me? Um, you can give suggestion and also feedback on this training after watching. So now I'm going to choose the collation method. I'm choosing the collation method required. So click on this. Then I choose the banner. So at the end of the day, we should have this Latin 1 underscore general underscore being. Then next. Then you also need a mix mode for this. You need a mix mode. Give it any password you wish, but I'm going to be using what password can I use? Okay, let me use sage.admin. Sage.admin. Okay, so sage.admin. Okay, so let me add the current user to that. So let's wait for that. Okay, then I can click next. Then a particular step skipped. So just for you to see what's skipped. So make sure all these you don't have an error or failed message. If it's still a warning message, you're still good to go. So I can see the details. So let's move on. Next. Then as simple as that. Install. Then you have it installing. This might take a while. So let's just wait. Let's wait. Or maybe I should pause this video so that at the end, when it's about completing, it's just This just have to read all through. So there's nothing except it has an error and you need to start the installation again. But without that, I think we are good to go. Okay, it's moving. It's moving. I thought of posting the video, but just because I want to see the process through, that was why I'm leaving it. My power is low, and I don't have my uh, power source here. Hope you guys are still there. So just keep watching until it installs all its features. And please don't mind my environment. So, what's more important is what you actually want to gain from this training. So you could maybe you've heard so many noises at the background, but never mind. It's just for you to get knowledge once and for all. Still installing. I'm still here anyway. I'm still here. Very, very much here. It's actually 9:51 in Nigeria. This is Sunday, 25th of August, 2019. Don't worry about my time here. Don't worry about this time. The time is not correct, but the date is correct. 25th of August 2019. But it's 9:51 here in Nigeria. This is the installation progress. So ready to install. We did that till we got to this level. Installation progress. So you can see this seems to be like the second to the last stage. So the last stage could be just click on the button and we are done. Then we can check, we can try to open the application to see if it's actually installed so that we can have a look of what we have actually set up. So it's near completion. Let me show you my face again. So I'm still here. Well, um, I didn't time the timing process. I didn't give a timing to it, but I want to believe it should be. I mean, at the point of installation, not at the point of the progress. At point of installation, I don't expect it to be more than 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So I don't expect it to be more than that. So all things being equal, you should have something like this on your system after installation. Should have something like this. Yeah. So here we go. So congratulations, we finished installing uh, Microsoft SQL 2014. Your SQL Server 2014 installation completed successfully. So now, what do I do? Let me remove this video again. Sorry. So now I can close since it's completed. So I can close this, then minimize this. Now let's check. So we use the Microsoft Studio to check our installation. So now you use the SQL Server 2014 Management Studio to launch the installed application. So Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is loading user settings. This may take a few minutes. So relax, take your coffee, and watch. Oof. For those of you that want me to show you the process of how to install um, um, Sage X3, you can write on the comments on my YouTube page, follow me, subscribe to my videos, subscribe, and I promise I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you the steps involved in installing um, the steps involved in installing your Sage X3. Now we have this. So you connect to the server since it is installed on this system. So this system is actually recognized as the server. So Windows authentication, it's the roles and features that is attached to this OS as a user. And also we have SQL Server authentication. This aspect is where you then supply the system administrator's password you provided at the point of installation. So remember we did the password sage.admin. Yeah. So I click on connect. Here, so we have our Microsoft SQL 2014 installed on this system, and this is what we have. Sorry, and it was going to do this, so let's wait a little. What I actually want to show you, uh, I know I must have made some mistakes during the process. I also want to learn from you. I also want to learn from you. So give me your critics, um, so I can do better. So let me show you the properties so that you can actually see the version installed. So you can see all these. Now for us to see other things like the collation method, let's click this. I'm trying not to make this video more than 30 minutes. So okay. So you can see what is installed on this system. This is a collation method. You can see. So thank you. Um, my name is Aino Odomide, a senior business software consultant with Active Services Limited. Active Services Limited is a business partner to Sage Pastel. We implement from the small Sage to the bigger one. So from small scale to enterprise. So thank you and see you some other time. God bless.